Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to work in my Dollar Tree planner, which is in a Walmart Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook. I am actually using a different Dollar Tree planner than I have in most of my previous videos. Still haven't fixed this, but... Hi, this is Editing Me, and I'm back popping in because I forgot to do something that I mentioned last week in the community tab, and I think I mentioned it in my stories. I wanted to show an actual flip through of this student planner to show actually what's in it. So let's do that real quick. So in the beginning, it has a place for your personal information. It has the yearly overview for 2020 and 2021. It has the 2020-2021 holidays. And then it started in July of 2020, and it goes through... get back here. It goes through August of, well, it ends August 1st of 2021. So it goes through July of 2021. And then it has a few note pages. These are nice. These would make good pages for pen tests or tests with your highlighters. So notes. And that's it. Oh, okay. So it's very simple. It's much less back here than I thought. So yeah, you just have a few pages of notes in the back, and that's it. So that is the student planner from Dollar Tree. Here is the information. Let's see if I can let you see it without the glare. It's the weekly page format by Jot. And on with the video. Maybe by 2021, I will get it together and deal with that. But moving right along, I'm working in the 2020-2021 student planner from Dollar Tree. It has the hollow foil text and a black vinyl cover. It's a little thin, but it's much better than the vinyl for the other weekly planners and monthly planners. So I'm just going to take this out and show you, let's see, the last week that I have worked on, which was last week, the 16th through the 22nd, and I still have more to go on the 22nd, which is today, the day that I'm recording this. But I kind of like this. I like the paper a lot better than the other ones. So let's move on to this week. This is the week of Thanksgiving, and this is very basic, very simple. There's not a lot that needs to be changed here. So I don't know. I used this kit. How would that work? So yeah, I use this kit in my everyday planner, but I don't really see the need to use a kit here. Not like this. Maybe one of the jewel box kits would work. But in the meantime, I did pull out this Simply Gilded washi because it says Thanksgiving to me. And it's a little brighter than the colors that I used in my everyday planner. Let me see. You know, I try to steer clear of kits, but I think it's cool on special occasions every once in a while to use a kit. So even though I'm probably going to use this, but I'm not going to use the whole thing because I like the colors on this. So let's do this. Hopefully I won't regret this. I'm not going to use the day of the week covers, but I am going to use the floral elements, and I think I'm going to use the doll. And I think I'm going to use a piece of sticker paper to cover. I don't want to get into the habit of doing that though. I got all this white out. Let me use white out. So yeah, if I continue to put sticker paper on it, it is going to bulk up just like the other planner, which I'll probably switch to something different by then anyway, but I'm just saying. If you're not a switcher like me, you might want to keep that in mind. that adding that extra sticker paper does add bulk. So do I need, I guess I could go ahead and do December 2. And don't forget to give this video a like. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this, so that you don't miss anything coming up. And I do have some giveaways coming up. My birthday is next month, and I'll probably do a giveaway for my birthday. I think I'm gonna put this Fall in Love with Taking Care of Yourself right here. Oops, nope, come on. I'm gonna put that right there. I hate to cover up the flower, and that is so crooked. There, that's better. Okay. So let's use this washi. Do I like that? I don't know. Let's see. Do these go together? I think this one will look better. I'll have to save that for another spread. And I do think that the banner ends, the, what did they call it? Whale tail, fish tail ends look better. So I'll have to do that. For now, I'm gonna do every other one because I might come back in with something different. So I use my Coletto pen with the gel inks. And as you can see, there is some shadowing, but it's not as bad as it was in the other planner. So I haven't tried any different pens with this yet, but I will. And of course, I will report on the results. Okay, this is kind of dull, but I'm going to use it. It's like a tan color with gold foil, so I'm going to use this for my alternate days. I have this out, so let me put a little bit of that down here in this corner. There is a black version of these hearts. I hate that I was not aware of it when it was out, because I would have snagged it up. So I really like these. Okay. And gonna use Lily here with her cute holiday outfit on. And then I'm gonna use these florals. That feels kind of strange to me. I don't know about that. Maybe I'll just get a Thanksgiving sticker from one of my sticker books. Let's see. Let's see what's in dates and holidays. Perfect. Gold Thanksgiving. See, I can put it on top of the flower. Yep. So this is the DIY sticker storage that I did in a recent video. I'll link to it in the iCard. But maybe I can use these scallops that I have for this. I like that better right there. So let's trim this up. These are, I don't know what they're called, but they are sticker books from me and my big ideas. So, yeah. And let's see. Can put a little something in these boxes. I like this one because it has small florals in it. So let's use these. Okay, so I think that is going to be it for this layout. Let's pop this in, see what it looks like. And this time let's try and find the center and do this right. So that's it. That is the spread or layout or setup for my journaling. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.